we are stopping because Nitro needs to wee-wee. Oh. Okay, he's just gonna wee-wee dito sa likod ng car. Come on, Nitro. What? No, we can't wee-wee in the church. Boss, kailan niyo si Brian, kanang Amerikano? Brian Ahern? Asa man sila? Nadia? Adili lang? Ah, okay. Thank you.
Tara na.
Alright, I think this is the house they're building. I think so. Ayu! Ayu!
Oh.
Oh, there he is.
Hey, what's up? We'll be right out. Hi. Hey.
Alright, cool, man.
Hello.
Hello! It's your friends, Nitro. Hey, Jonathan! Here's Ate Jonathan! Hello, Jonathan. Kamusta? Yes, buddy. Yeah, it's okay. The dog went here too. Yeah. Hello, Kathleen. Si Brayden ba na, Jonathan?
Michael.
Si Brayden ba na?
Michael.
Ah, Michael. Ah, Michael. Hello, Michael.
Hello.
Hey!
Nitro.
Hi.
It's Tito Brian and Tita Jonathan.
Ingon siya kanina. Where's Tito Brian?
Oh.
Dili na sa tita, lola na siya.
Oh, Lola na.
Surprise!
Surprise!
What kagkaibaw nga namigro sa Bohol?
mo. Oh, nya di man kayo mi wa kayo signal lang.
Ah, lagi. Bitaw. We want to do the tour, Brian. I don't care what the house looks like. We want this tour. We want to see it.
So this is
This is the part nga giguba.
Before we go in here, this is where we had a roof here.
Oh,
There's no roof anymore because of a debt ravaged this place, and that's the only part of it left. And then we hid in there in that place. It's still standing.
Oh,
So
no way.
this whole side is all old and like what survived of the crazy typhoon.
That's insane, huh?
It is so bad.
Dili ba yung updated?
So it is a mess still because it's a
fixing it up.
construction zone, right?
Yeah.
But what we're working on right
Oh,
now.
hello.
Hey, Bray.
That's Brayden, Nitro. He plays Roblox.
Hey,
Yeah.
this is Nitro.
Nitro.
Oh, say hi, Nitro.
Naulaw.
Nitro.
Kanan siya makigdula.
Lagi.
And then so this side is all newer, and then it's construction zone. Like, bear with us. It is lots of rubbish and stuff.
Right, yeah.
Josephine, no? Oh,
Nothing mag-ayos siya. Hi, Josephine.
remember ka na ako.
Justin, come
Kailan
here.
nakaka-remember
Long
na
time no
ako?
see.
Long time,
Surprise.
dugay
Kailan
na.
na siya naka-remember
Alexa.
na ako? Yung Santa.
Oh, don't be shy. Come here.
Pila na iyang edad?
Hello, tol na.
She is 9.
She's 9 years old
Yeah.
now.
Buhat
Wow.
ko, be.
Hello,
14,
Josephine.
Kathleen, 9. You were really small. Oh, big man.
Nako.
Dalaga na siya.
We saw you kadtong 3 years old ka pa lang.
Oh, 6 years ago.
Oh, bless. Dugay na lagi. Oh.
6 years.
Yeah. It's been crazy, huh?
Okay, the pandemic
Lagi.
and other things.
Maong last na pagkita nato no?
Kato di
Mo
ba
na
na
to?
ito sa Paris Hilton na resort something? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
6 years, grabe.
Nag-YouTube ko
Grabe.
sa di ba?
Insane.
Katong na sila Hailey, that's the beach.
It doesn't feel like it because, you know, we see you guys on YouTube all the time.
Oh yeah, we have right. I know.
Yeah.
I can always check up on you and talk
Exactly.
to you on Instagram.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is a big room for Erica. Right now, it turned into like storage and plants.
Right. Yeah.
Toilets has been sitting here for a while. This
Nice.
is gonna be the bathroom.
Cool.
And then,
So this is all new?
This is new.
Okay,
Yeah, this is all new. And then look what they just damaged everything. The typhoon damaged everything. The fence got destroyed
Oh,
out here.
jeez,
you know, and
That was like a cement fence too,
fully
yeah?
cement like that. And it
How the
just
hell did
got
that happen?
damaged.
Like trees fell on it or?
Yeah, probably. And
Debris.
whatnot.
That's crazy,
huh?
dude, yeah.
Oh yeah, we got the tiles. We're just waiting
Yep.
to move all this rubbish out.
We're scared of everyone. So many people, hey. So many people everywhere, hey.
Excited ba yan siya ganina?
Oh, excited kayo siya mag-Roblox.
In my friend's house. Hello, dali.
Oh, he's got a Nintendo Switch, Nitro. You wanna have a look? Have a look.
He wants to play Roblox. He likes to play.
Yeah.
Oh, look. The kuya is shy. You're shy. Everyone's shy.
Yes, we're all shy.
You hungry, Nitro? You okay? You guys finished eating already?
Yeah, we're good for now. Yep. This
So we
part.
got lots of rooms over there.
Yep.
We're just putting the doors on there.
Okay.
These brand new, just being installed.
Yep,
So this
cool,
place
cool.
is about to transform, and we're gonna
Entirely, huh?
finally throw all this crap away.
Yeah.
Like, look at this. We got Jodelin's plant stuff. This is manure. This is all cow dung.
Oh, no way.
This is amazing cow dung, like Jurassic Park.
Yep,
Like, where they
the
have, he's a singer.
Triceratops
Yeah.
turd, yeah.
Like here, we just bought some cement this morning.
Nice,
Yeah.
man. Cool.
Yes.
So this is gonna be what, like a garage?
This is the bedroom.
Oh, this is
This
like
is
the main
And then
bedroom.
we're gonna have like a big
Sliding
glass,
door? Yeah,
like, all glass
love
so you can
that.
See
Yeah.
the rice field there.
Hell yeah, man.
And it's
Beautiful.
really like
Yeah.
it's really bad right now. You know what I mean? But
Yeah, but I mean, you know, you can see the
but
vision
yeah,
at least.
let's jump on
Yeah.
here. You can see the vision, right?
Very nice.
And then we're gonna have the gate over there.
Oh, the gate to, okay,
So you
cool.
can come in this way in the back.
So
or
this
we'll
is
have
gonna
parking
be,
in
yeah,
the front.
okay. So this is like a front yard and backyard.
This is
kind of
all
thing.
back here. Maybe I'll put a pool back here or something.
Yeah,
Just
cool,
a
man.
little simple pool.
Nice.
I've seen on Facebook and whatnot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet, dude.
Yeah, man.
How long have you had this block of land for?
2000. Ooh, I'd say like 12 or 2013.
2012,
We've been
wow,
holding
okay.
this lot. It was a bakery before. We
Right.
were running a little bakery.
You've
Easy's
turned it into
Bake
a
Shop
residential. Oh,
was the
really?
name of it before.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Love it. Oh, Nitro, you added them on Roblox. You're all friends on Roblox
Ate
now,
Kathleen
hey?
added them.
Ate Kathleen helped you, hey? Yeah. That's very good. Now you can play with them. Woohoo! You're playing with Michael. You're playing the same game. That's so cool. You're friends on Roblox now.
Always learning.
Nitro is showing off, but he's too shy to say anything.
He's
Hey.
probably like, oh, I know this one.
Yep.
I know this one.
Bro, ganahan na siya mga friends. He's in heaven na. Bitaw.
Hey, Brayden.
We are heading out now, aren't we? Yes, Santa's
Kung
vlogging.
naalala nyo, si Josephine sa vlog ko, baby pa siya dati. Ngayon,
Yes.
malaki na siya. Yes.
We are with Josephine. Hello, Josephine. And we have Nitro in the back. And Nitro's friend Brayden. Woo! His Roblox buddies.
Yes.
We're going to a water park in Bohol. We're going to follow Brian. He's going to drive the other car. Hey, you got some friends, Nitro? Hey, you like your friends? Yeah?
He's so shy.
Wow. Been good for Nitro to come out here and talk to some kids his age because he's always
He said,
parang napriso dun sa
no,
Leyte.
he said, I'm going to my cousins.
His cousins.
Oh.
Sa bagay, half Filipino, half white
Yes,
din.
you
No?
can, they can be your cousins. My friends.
Alright, there's a Heezy, Brian. Alright, we're gonna follow him. Let's go. Oh, he's still turning? Ah, okay. He's gonna turn. Bye. Okay, they're coming back. They're coming back. You guys ready to go for a drive? Woohoo! Go for a drive.
They're vlogging.
Yeah, na-vlog po sila.
Hi, vlog.
Tara!
Hi, vlog.
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Introducing Shuntado!
Hey, yo, check my flow. It's time for the Shuntado Show. Check out my grills, girl.